Ituloy na natin ang puksan sa veiled performance ni Mr. Sensitive, songwriter ng Norte.
I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. 'Cause here we are back where we were before. Seems nothing ever changes. We're back to being strangers. Wondering if we ought to stay or head on out the door. Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right?
Walang ganun yung ton!
Make the magic
Walang ganun yung
last
ton!
more than just one night. And I know we could break through it if we could just get through it just once. We can get through it just once.
Ang sensitive songwriter ng Norte.
I am so curious about his moniker. And we have our
Yes.
judges standing.
Yes.
Standing ovation from our judges.
Uh-huh.
Yes, yes.
Judges, ano masabi niyo? Pero teka lang muna. Ingat kasi sensitive.
Sensitive.
Kaya nga, feeling ko lang hopeless romantic to.
Feeling mo.
Feeling ko. Kaya
Wow,
sensitive.
tsaka-
Kasi ano eh, talagang grabe yung... Gusto mo yung nakatayo tayo
nga
lahat,
eh.
no?
Ganun kagaling.
Hanggang comment.
Ganun
Nakatayo
kagaling,
talaga sila.
oo.
Bukod sa napakalinis, napaka-soulful, parang alam mo yung parang binibigay niya na parang eto na yung puso ko. Inaali ko na sa inyong lahat. Eto na siya. At tapos napakaganda pa ng boses, ganda
Ganda
ng
yung quality.
texture.
Ang
Gwapo-gwapo ng boses niya. Ayun na naman tayo sa gwapo.
Reads ang moniker sensitive songwriter tapos na si Poging sessionista.
Yeah.
Songwriter
Tsaka may,
din siya.
ano eh,
So, pogi songwriter siya.
may sarili ka ng gwapo eh. May sarili ka ng gwapo.
Eh,
The one and only.
Pero hindi, ang gwapo talaga ng boses. Parang kung hinihele.
So ito rin, may laban rin to pag ipadala natin to sa Korea.
May
Oo,
laban.
May laban
Mukhang
talaga.
may
May
laban
laban,
to.
may laban.
Ako
Batang
malakas ang
may laban.
pakiramdam ko dito. Yung boses niya, pang-international.
Yun, ang
Hindi lang
hinahanap
siya pang
natin.
dito, pero pang-international siya.
International
Parang
talaga.
hindi
diba,
tayo
no?
mapapahiya nito. pag
Hindi.
ipapadala natin.
Ito yung alam kong kaya niya talagang ito yung bandera ng mga Pilipino.
Wow!
Oo.
Maraming salamat sa ating
Thank you,
mga
thank you, judges. Idol ng Pinas ngayon, Korean Idol sa darating na panahon.
Teka, depende yan sa magiging kapalaran niya ngayong hapon. Pusuan na natin ang pag-awit ng Teen Idol ng Cavite.
Remember those walls I built? Oh, baby, they're tumbling down. They didn't even put up a fight. They didn't even make a sound. It's like I've been awakened. Every rule I've been breaking. It's a risk that I'm taking. I'm never gonna shut you out. You're everything I need and more. It's written all over your face. Baby, I can see you halo. I pray it won't fade away.
ng Cavite.
Judges, I am curious kung anong masasabi niyo sa ating teen idol ng Cavite.
Medyo nahirapan. May
Oo,
discussion.
may
mo.
discussion kami. I can
Sorry,
see may
guys.
discussion kayong nagaganap dyan. Ano bang chika niyo dyan,
No,
Mare?
kasi we felt like it was a good start.
Yes.
Sabi
Yeah.
ko, ay, maganda
Strong
yung,
start.
Oo, strong start. Maganda yung song choice niya. Maganda yung suabe, yung unang-unang part. Tapos merong isang part, siguro, hindi ko alam kung ako lang ba or baka nakalimutan yung lyrics.
Kaya para nagkaroon ng delay or kasi baka version niya yon. Pero merong part talaga na parang hindi siya
Parang
sumakto.
nag-alangan siya.
Parang hindi, basta parang merong hindi nag-swak. Ako naman, nakulangan ako doon sa mas powerful pa dapat. Mas powerful pa talaga.
Siguro no? Baka feeling ko na pressure. May pressure, no? Feeling ko.
Pero,
Kasi syempre, ikaw yung mag-represent ng Philippines eh. So,
Pero yun yung-
kailangan, alam mo, like nandun yung pressure.
pero dapat ready ka. Buong pagkatao mo ready for a competition. Talagang pati yung song, ready ka kung paano siya i-interpret. Na alam mo yung sure ka. May sure ka sa gagawin mo.
Mahirap din kasi talagang kumanta na nakaharap ka sa veil.
Yes.
Diba?
So thank you very much, judges, for that honest comment. Singer na academic achiever pa, but will she get an A+ from our judges?
Singing Behind the Veil, heto na ang singing engineer ng Saudi.
Too late for second guessing. Too late to go back to sleep. It's time to trust my instincts. Close my eyes and leave. It's time to try defying gravity. I think I tried defying gravity, and you can't pull me down. So if you can't find me, and I to the western sky, as someone told me, everyone deserves a chance to fly. And if I'm flying solo, at least I'm flying free. To those who crown me, take a message back from me, telling how I'm defying gravity. I'm flying high, defying gravity, and soon I'll match them with green now. And nobody in all of us, no wizard that there is or was, is ever gonna bring me down.
Wow! Singing engineer ng Saudi.
Engineer na, singer pa. At
Wow,
very
look at that.
difficult yung choose niyang song, ha?
Oo.
That's very challenging. I wonder what the judges would say.
Tama ka doon, Mare.
Yes.
Na ang challenging talaga
Oo,
ng
kasi
defying
Mare,
gravity.
tinry ko kantahin to, parang medyo hindi.
Sample, Gabi.
Uy, sample naman.
Gabi.
Ito na! Sinasabay mo kanina
Let's go,
dun eh.
Julie.
Oo.
We would love to hear from you, Julie. Teka,
Hindi,
baka magulat kayo, baka masali ako sa Korea pag nag-sample ako.
Ayan.
Oh. Alam mo, ang ganda ng quality ng boses niya. Even yung high notes niya, magaan. Ayun, di ba? Yung, meron siyang technique na magaan yung high note niya. Pero, in terms sa tumagos ba sa puso ko, saktong tagos lang. Swabe lang.
Hindi ka na-defy nung gravity.
Hindi ko sinasabing hindi maganda yung performance niya. Pero may hinahanap lang ako na parang pang-competition na talagang yung talagang...
Wow!
Oo.
Ganun. Kayang ganun.
Siguro dahil kanina naka-ponytail ito, may ano,
May,
Hindi, parang medyo
yung bahay ng
bitin
ibon. May bahay ng
Oo.
ibon dito.
Parang gusto
Shadow,
gusto
sa
gusto
shadow.
yung ponytail, pero parang di natuloy.
Oo, may nest, may nest.
Umikot lang ganun.
Oo, eh.
Umikot lang.
Pero pinahirapan kami nito. May, dinagdagan yung trabaho natin.
sa totoo lang talaga, totoo yung sinabi ni Kuya Mark, no? Talagang mahirap talaga kasi pumili eh. Kasi parang alos pare-pare sila ng wavelength. Tapos, hindi namin alam kung papasok ba natin to. Or like, i-exclude ba natin to sa mga papasok, 'di ba? So, ako ang masasabi ko rin sa performance na to, napakaganda ng boses niya. As in, yun yung personally for me.
Si Rita may sinasabi.
Yes, Rita?
Feeling ko dahil tumatapos sa isip mo eh.
Sobrang dami, hindi kailangan kong piliin, Day! Paano ba? Ako, sasabihin kong napakaganda ng boses niya. Yung unang pasok pa lang talagang sabi ko, parang sobrang linis na tama yung sinabi ni Julie na ang gaan-gaan. Siguro ako kung lang sa susunod, yung mga susunod pa tayo nakakanta, di ba? Ang hinahanap ko kasi talaga, yung parang almost, parang recorded siya. Yun yung hinahanap ko.
Ang hinahanap ni Rita, malinis na malinis kasi ang basihan talaga is boses. Hindi mo mababawi sa connection with audience or
Correct.
star quality or performance.
100%.
Tsaka tandaan natin ang panlaban natin dito,
Dito.
yung mga talagang greatest of the greatest singers in the
Kasi
country na lalaban.
atire-represent nila tayong lahat na Pilipino. At
Pero
kilala.
hindi naman super importante na super linis talaga na parang recorded na. Ang importante, tatagos talaga sa
Yes.
puso natin.
The elimination round heats up sa pag-eksena ng ating susunod na singer.
Make way for the total performer ng Bicol.
Yes, I do. I believe one day I will be where I was, right there, right next to you. It's hard, the days so dark, the moon, the stars are nothing without you. Told me not to cry when you were gone, but the feeling's overwhelming. It's much too strong. Can I lay by your side next to you? I don't want to be here if I can't be with you. Can I lay by your side next to you? Can I lay by your side and make sure you're alright? Let me take care of you. I don't want to be here. I can't be with you. And
Ang total performer ng Bicol.
And once again, standing
Oo,
ovation
napatay
from
na naman
our
sila.
judges. Yes, Julie, Martin,
Julie, go.
Rita.
Hindi nabutan ako. Grabe. Parang, hindi ko alam for some reason, parang ewan ko, like, naging emotional
Yeah.
bigla ako. Bigla, ewan
Siguro
ko.
dahil
Siguro,
ako-
sobrang naging connected siya sa akin, personally. Ganon kalakas yung impact ng performance niya
Wow.
para sa akin.
Ako naman,
Tagos sa puso.
Grabe na
Oo.
emotional
Oo.
connection talaga. At bukod syempre dun sa linis ng boses, parang, di ba, ang hinahanap nga natin kanina, yung parang recorded, di ba? Parang ito na yun. Wala na akong
Yes.
hahanapin pa.
Kung tagos sa tagos lang ang pinag-uusapan, ito na talaga yon. Hindi lang tumagos sa veil. Parang feeling ko lumapit siya dito sa amin. Tapos kinantahan
lumapit?
niya kami. Parang ganun yung... Ako lang naman yun, Mark. feeling ko lang yun. Pero I think she's one of the best.
Wow.
ako naman, kaya siguro naramdaman ko yung kanta niya dahil the way niya kinanta itong song na to is para siyang, yung boses niya parang she was begging for that,
And and yung
attention.
longing
Yeah,
yung longing, yung pain, and yung love.
naramdaman ko yung
Puso talaga. Ang galing.
kanta niya.
Ito yung sinabi ni Julie, tama. Ito yung hinahanap